Yes, good morning. 10th Icse State Cbse. We are doing shares and dividend. That day I have given introduction and only based on that. Today let us solve different types of problems and hence we'll proceed further. First let me give you once again one more example. The share face value of, just I am taking one example. Face value of share is rupees 50 and dividend given is something as 20%. What is the income or what is the dividend? This is shares and dividends. Now let me do simple example. I am giving how to do this dividend. 20 by 100 into 50. This is nothing but 20 by 10. So income is 10. What the meaning of this actually is, out of 100, if the face value is 100, that means I will get income as 20 rupees. Now if the face value is 50, what is the income I will get? Simple. Face value is 100, the income is 20. If the face value is 50 now, that is nothing but 15 to 20 by 100. The same thing here I do. 2 times that. Like that. Now let us do some problems. I will read out the question for you. A person bought 300 shares of face value rupees 25 each. Means face value of each share is how much? 25. How many shares he purchased? He brought 300 shares. A dividend of rupees 525 was received at the end of the year. Find the rate of dividend. Find the rate of dividend. A person purchased 300 shares, face value rupees 25 each. What I said before doing the problem? Write down all the conditions given in the problem. Then only you should proceed further, and what he is asking you should do. The very first problem of shares and dividend, I am starting with simple basics. So that means face value of each share. Face value of each share is 25. Number of shares. How many shares he purchased? 300. Next, a dividend of rupees 525 was received at the end of the year. Dividend rupees 525. Now face value of each share is 25. Number of shares he purchased how much? 300. So number of shares is 300. Each face value is 25. How many? Total investment how much? Total investment is equal to number of shares into face value of each share. Next, number of shares is how much? 300 into face value of each share 25. Now 25 3 is 7,500. So total investment, he invested 7,500 in the company, for which the company is giving 525 as the interest. As 525 as the income, dividend. So what is he asking now? Find the rate of dividend. Means rate of dividend is nothing but dividend percentage. Rate of dividend is nothing but dividend percentage. So simple, dividend percentage is nothing but total investment by how much in income or dividend you got. 525. 525 by total investment is 7,500 into 100. Cancel 2 zeros, 2 zeros. I think 75 into 7. This is nothing but 7%. This is one type of problem. So here face value is 25, number of shares 300, total investment is this much, he invested 7,500, dividend percentage nothing but total investment by income. Income is dividend. So I got the answer as 7%. Let us do another sum. First we will do this type of problems, then later on we will be going to word problems of big type. So many sentences, big sentences will be there. So we will do afterwards. Next question. How many shares should a person invest in rupees 25 shares? This is another type. How many should a person invest in rupees 25 shares selling at rupees 32 to obtain an income of rupees 348 if the dividend declared is 12%? This seems to be a little bit lengthy, but nothing is there. Just write down all the conditions. How much should a person invest? Means invest, how much investment is in the company is asking. How much you are putting in the company by selling a share of 25 rupees. He is selling at 32, and the income he generated is 348. Also dividend declared is 12%. So I am going to write all the given conditions. Face value of each share is nothing but 25. Market price is nothing but 32. Next, income is nothing but dividend. Dividend is equal to 348. Next, dividend percentage is given as 12. So what is asking? Total investment is asking. Total investment is how much? So here, how to do this problem? So here, total investment is equal to rupees X. So here, one basic thing again, number of shares into market price is equal to total investment. This basic thing in basics class I have explained. No? Number of shares into market price is nothing but total investment. Number of shares is we don't know. Market price we know, total investment is X. Let us calculate number of shares. Number of shares is equal into market price how much? 32 is equal to total investment is X. What I did is simple basic formula I applied. Number of shares into market price is nothing but total investment. Next, so number of shares is right as it is, market price is 32 is equal to total investment is nothing but I have written now total investment is X. So number of shares X by 32. Number shares is x by 32. This is case 1. Next, case 2. How will you get dividend percentage? How will you get dividend? Dividend is equal to discount percentage of face value into number of shares. Dividend. What is dividend? This is another formula you need to remember. Here you need to do two formulas. Dividend. What is dividend given? 348 is equal to discount percentage. Discount is how much? 12. 12 by 100 into face value of each one into number of shares. X by 32. So, how to do this one? Only now 348 is asking, what is asking? Total investment. What is the total investment they have put in the company? So 348 into, so this whole thing transpose here, or you can, if you want, you can add 25 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 1s are, or 3 remain as this. This you cannot get cancelled. 348 is equal to 3 into x by 32. So therefore x is equal to 348 into 32 by 3. 3 11s are 33, 3 6 are 18. So x is equal to 116 into 32. 116 into 32 is nothing but 3712. So it's very simple. Face value is 25. Market price is given as 32. Once again I will read out. How much should a person invest? Investment, how much he is going to keep in the account. Face value is 25. Now selling is nothing but market price. Market price is 32. Income is 348. Income also I have written dividend. Dividend percentage also given 12. So what I will I have simply use this formula. Number of shares into market price is nothing but total investment. Next, number of shares I will treat like this. This is the dividend formula which we are going to use throughout by sharing while working out shares and dividend. Next, another problem. Calculate the dividend. I am doing different methods, different types of problems, so that you will be getting exposure to big problems. Calculate the dividend. Is asking dividend. Calculate the dividend by investment, total investment 7242 in 3 by 4 percentage of rupees 100 shares at rupees 106.50. That means actually what is given is calculate the dividend, that means income, by investing 7242 in 4 by 3 percentage rupees 100 shares at rupees 106.50. That means clearly it is given market price how much now? Market price is 106.50. Face value is rupees 100 Next, what is dividend given? Dividend percentage 4/3/4. Now what is he asking? Dividend is asking. So how to do this problem? What I said just now, again recap the formula. Number of shares into market price is equal to total investment. Number of shares. Do we know the number of shares? We don't know. Leave it. Mark this as 1. Dividend percentage. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. So here he is asking dividend. So this is known to you, but number of shares we don't know. From this, can you calculate number of shares? Yes, by using this one. Number of shares into market price is nothing but total investment. Mark this as 2. Therefore, number of shares is equal to total investment by market price. Total investment is nothing but 7242 by market price is 106.50. Simplify this, what you get? 68 is the answer. So number of shares is nothing but 68. Now easily you can apply here. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of income. Dividend percentage already given. 4/3 is nothing but 19/4. 19/4 into 1/100 into face value is 100. This is this one. Percentage is given, so I calculate this. Number of shares just now will come. So this will get cancelled. 19/4 into 68. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. 19 into 17. That is the dividend. You just multiply, and that is the answer. That is 323, I think. Something like 323. That's it, children. Very simple. Next, another question. So another problem, last one. Calculate the percentage return. Calculate the percentage return on investing in 5% 100 shares at rupees 125. What is he asking in this problem? Calculate the percentage return on investing 5% rupees 100 shares at rupees 125. From this, it is clearly he is clearly asking rate percentage based on the face value is given here, market price is given, and discount percentage is also given. How will you do this one? Just now basics, what I told in basic dividend. How will you calculate dividend? Investing in rupees 5% of 100. This can be written as market price is nothing but 125. Rate percentage is asking, and what is the basic? Find the percentage on investigating 5% rupees 100. 5% rupees 100. You apply the basic rule, 5% into 100. So face value is given as 100. Next, rate percentage. Rate by dividend. Rate by nothing but dividend by market price into 100. Dividend how much you got just now? 5 by market price is 4%. Calculate the percentage return on investing 5% rupees 100 shares at 125. That's it. There ends the problem. So thank you students. Have a nice day. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.